Well, I'm Richard Klingeman. I had been looking at replacing my roof for about a year and a half, which was pressure-treated yellow pine. And it was about 20 years old, but they used the wrong nails. And so the nails were rusting and shingles were popping out. So I talked to maybe half a dozen contractors that do various kinds of roofing. And so spent more time looking at synthetic shingles and slate, and Transform Charleston in particular recommended that as the best option among the 4 different suppliers of synthetic roofing. I had so much confidence in their ability to deliver a finished product better than the other people I talked to. Another thing was that there was no payment until the job was finished, and I was happy. I don't think I talked to any other contractor that would work that way. And that told me a lot about the confidence you have in your installation and the finished product. Well, it exceeded my expectations in terms of just the look. And in fact, I've had half a dozen neighbors come by and say how great it looks, and best looking roof in the whole community, which I don't doubt at all. So I'm just really happy with the finished product. I mean, Transform Charleston is the best contractor I've ever worked with.